So in terms of the key results for this discussion point, managing large multidisciplinary projects, multidisciplinary integrated projects are needed to address issues involving complex, uncertain futures. Social researchers, groundwater managers, hydrogeologists, irrigation and agricultural specialists are required to work with community groups. This project has not only shown that it is possible, but it is also likely to become more common in future projects in Pakistan. While the focus was on groundwater, the approach to capacity building was through multi-level, multidisciplinary collaborative research. The complexity and size of the challenge required an integrated approach towards sustainable management of groundwater to enhance productivity and thereby farmers' livelihoods. Integrated management requires participatory governance arrangements to enable groundwater users and other relevant stakeholder communities to more effectively engage in the knowledge gathering and decision-making processes for sustainable and fair use of groundwater. This project has demonstrated that it is possible to have successful projects with large teams across provinces that address complex issues. Specifically, we have showed that it is possible to manage a multi-partner, multidisciplinary project. The benefits or impacts from doing so are clear and numerous. Our multi-level, multidisciplinary project approach is vindicated by the various findings of the project. Establishing groundwater management areas and understanding sustainable extraction limits at the sub-basin level will allow resource managers in provincial irrigation departments to focus on improving management of hotspots. Stakeholder engagement, particularly with the groundwater users at the sub-basin level, along with improved knowledge sharing, will improve practices. While networks were formed to directly achieve the project goals of improved groundwater management, other important networks formed through the project are the various multi-partner alliances. Many project team members commented on the challenges but ultimately beneficial impacts of working within a large multidisciplinary team and developing wider practitioner networks. It enabled the provincial irrigation departments of Punjab, Sindh and Balochistan to sit at one table. It enabled interaction and collaboration across universities, the University of Agriculture Faisalabad, Balochistan University and Sindh Agricultural University. To quote our team member Faizan, that I've taken from the report, "This is the first time this has happened in Pakistan, and I would like to see this kind of approach in future projects as well." So what are our recommendations? We recommend that ACR investment in this project is captured and built on in further multidisciplinary projects in Pakistan, beyond but complementary to the Southern Indus Basin Salinity Project. Future projects should use and complement the range of networks developed and those that are developing as a result of this project. Scaling up on-ground and institutional impacts should be approached by working with established and growing networks from this project, using collaborative design approaches to ensure context is included in the design of solutions, and continuing to build out from the areas of expertise from the universities, government departments and villages engaged in this project. In-country partners are seeking ways to continue support of and involvement in the existing stakeholder forums.